Get him right there. Nice. Just toss it up. You don't have to throw it right at them.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah. If you toss it up like this, look, like this, you're getting better.
No, I need some more bread. I need more bread. Yeah.
Look, that guy's right there. Nice. Good catch. Not too big for them. Let me get you.
There's 2 more pieces.
Nice. See if...
There's 2 more pieces.
Take him out for me. You see, mine are good. Ho! Watch it. You gotta toss them up.
I know. You need to pick the right one and throw it into her mouth.
Right into her mouth, exactly. There you go.
I gave it to her.
Here's one. He's waiting.
Oh!
Nice. Nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
Can I get one special piece left? Take it! Take it, you!
Got it. Nice job. Good job. That's it?
Yeah.